We all know, apart from air and soil, water is a very, very important entity for all of us to live. So water conservation is very, very important. So I always believe that water conservation starts with us. We can do, it should start from our homes and nothing more than your wash basin. Look at every tap. You can measure the flow rate of your water in the tap in the washrooms or in the kitchen and check. They generally are up to 10 to 12, 15 liters per minute, which is way, way more. And what we really have seen is that at least 3 to 4 liters per minute of water flow rate is very good. So you can measure it through these calibrated bags that are available in the market, or you choose a mug or whatever container where you can measure. Please check what is the flow rate. If it is more than 5 liters, I humbly request each of you to go through the small filters. These are also, you already in traditional taps, you see some filters, but they just remove the sediments like the small rocks or dust particles that come. But these are special aerators, also called as flow restrictors, which also restrict the sediments that might come here, but also has a restricted flow inside mechanism. So this is a spray type also called aerator, water flow aerator. When the water flows, you remove the earlier one and add this as an add-on to your tap, and then once you measure the flow rate, this will be about 3 to 3.5, 4 liters per minute. And the advantage of this is that because it is at spray, so you can wash your hands and then conserve a lot of water. So I would humbly request everyone to start conserving water with the basic aerators. These are all very, very simple and cost-effective ways of measuring, and we have our say, we have our role. So let's each of us save water. And today I really was so happy to be part of this team with Dhi, and they have named this whole event as Dhi Shakti, giving that importance for women. And Dhi stands for the confluence of mind, soul and body, right? So such an important and apt name through this. And today's program was exceptionally so well curated, all of them from varied backgrounds, so humbly being there. I got to learn a lot. So I humbly thank Dr. Chandrasekhar and Dr. Supraja and entire staff for inviting me and making me part of this particular journey. Thank you so much, and wishing all the best and wishing everyone a very happy Women's Day. And thanks to all the men who are the part of women and being there as the backbone and their support. Thank you so much.